Guys, today I will show you how to use Hunter.io for lead generation, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Hunter.io tutorials. So head over to Google, type in, for example, bikes, and just head over to the first website, and here just click on the top corner next to the downloads on your group web app. Click on it and click on Hunter.io and let Hunter find the available email. So you can copy this first email, it's the CEO email, and head over to new Gmail account. For example, I compose a new email, paste our email, and here just ask ChatGPT to write your lead generation email, for example. Want to contact this email administrator and generate leads, so here just type in your email. So it's GPT or DeepSeek or any AI tool, and this is how to generate and access lead generation in your web browser using Hunter.io extension. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe.